Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have a brand new unboxing today. This is a very special gift from TPA AvGeek, located in Tampa, Florida. Thank you, my friend. We got some Delta swag here, also some airline stickers. And we have the meat of the unboxing here. You know what, let's just start off with the big one right away. Let's start off with a bang. So TPA AvGeek sent me over this A350-1000. Yes, I did give him a set amount of money for these models. It's actually a pretty good deal. Wow, very excited to finally have this model in my collection. Looks great. Just do a little bit of cleaning off on it and, you know, should be okay. 2020 Gemini jets. These things actually hold their value too, and how good they are. They're gonna be flying A350s forever. Did go with a Spirit as well, because you can never have too many Spirits. I know they just retired their A319s, so I have an army of pretty much just Spirit A320s. So there we go. This is a very, very rare one. Wow, it's even got the sticker on it. Oh my gosh. That's too cool. Yeah, guys, welcome to New York. Look at that. Oh my lord, that's so cool. Finally have one of these things. That's incredible, guys. Let's set that down here. We got a DHL 737-800 by NG. Super dope. Also, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. And we also have the Copa Airlines 737-800 by NG. So, like I said, you can never have enough Copa. I need to get more Copa Airline planes and liveries. So, pretty cool. Yeah, so I'd say that about does it for this unboxing here, guys. But check it out. There it all is. Got some stickies too, so yeah, look at that. Pretty dope. Thank you so much, TPA AvGeek. I'll get a couple. Here is the JetBlue New York Fire Department A320 perch here, with beautiful TWA terminal here. You can see the passengers on the roof here. Also, LA Flights Live doing their live video of the airplane action. Super dope. Shout out to Tarmac Designs Indiana for this amazing terminal. The over layouts, jet set models for the amazing GSC as well. Super dope. Amazing. All right, guys, I said I wasn't going to show anything, but here is the JetBlue Fire Department livery, A320. Check it out, very detailed. Thank you to TPA AvGeek again. Beautiful model. Happy to have this in my collection. This will go a long way. Super impressed. Also, here's the Copa 737-800. Really cool. And then we have the DHL 737 as well. Glad to have this one. Iconic. And the last is the British Airways A350-1000. Been very excited to finally get one of these in my collection. You can fly this to pretty much any airport that flies British Airways. I know to be more realistic, fly it where it officially flies, but you know, today it's flying to JFK. Really cool plane. I think eventually they'll retire out the 777s and these will be just standard. Super cool, beautiful plane. Love it. Again, here's the Spirit A320. I'm not going to take this out of the box right now for this video because I just have so many of these and I've shown you guys in many videos of the Spirits. So really cool plane though. This will do a great job. Also, if you guys are interested, TPA AvGeek is selling a lot of models, so go check them out. On Instagram, TPA AvGeek. Just shoot him a message and he'd be happy to sell you some. I'd like to thank you guys for watching again today, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Model Airport Nation here, Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, guys. Happy collecting. And also shout out to TPA AvGeek again. Thank you, man.